Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Grace Uchechi back and better with another fire video. You already know how I give it up. So in today's video, I am super happy, very happy, because I have been working on this project for the last week and I'm so excited to be sharing it with you all. So today we are going to be doing an apartment-friendly bathroom renovation, and all the products that I use are very, very cheap. I got them from Shein, Amazon, Target, Home Goods, as well as the Dollar Tree. I think like half of the things came from the Dollar Tree. I don't want to do too much talking, so let's get right into the video. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Toodles! Before we do any decor, we have to make sure that we clean our bathroom from top to bottom, okay? I love working in a top tier clean bathroom. It just makes the experience so much better. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clean my bathtub walls, and to do that, I'm gonna use my RMR 86 Instant Mold and Mildew Stain Remover with a sponge and then just scratch away. After I do the bathtub walls, I'm gonna head to the actual bathtub. So to clean my bathtub, I'm gonna be using Ajax, and this is like a dollar store product that really does the trick. So it comes on like a powder. You add a little bit of water and then it becomes a gel. And as the gel washes away, it washes away some of the residue as well, but you gotta really scrape to make sure that that gel is really grabbing that residue. So that's why I say you gotta put your back into it, girl. But it's $1. Like, you can get this product for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So the slight work you gotta put in to make sure that your tub looks amazing is so worth it. After cleaning our bathroom tub and bathroom walls, we're gonna start sweeping the bathroom just to make sure that our floors are nice and clear. After sweeping, I'm going in with my Swiffer just to mop everything out and make sure that our floors are squeaky clean. After all that is done, we gotta do the most important thing, the mirrors. Can't have any blurry mirrors in our cute bathroom. Like, what? Throwing off the whole vibe. Like, throwing off the whole vibe. After we finish cleaning our mirrors, we are good to go and start the decor. So now that our bathroom is squeaky clean, we can get right into the good stuff. So the first thing that I'm doing is putting up a waterproof liner. A waterproof liner is so great because it just keeps water from traveling outside my shower. I put the waterproof liner first and then I put my curtain right behind it. It's literally the perfect combo. Your shower curtain is so important. Like, your shower curtain literally is gonna make or break your shower. So choose wisely, boo boo. I got my curtain from Amazon. If you like this style of curtain, definitely click the link definitely click the link below so that you can either get my curtain or another curtain very similar to mine. I was going for a very minimalistic, very simple, very calm kind of vibe with my curtain, so I loved the one that I picked. So honey, if you know me, you know that I'm never basic. Like, you know that I always do the most. So we're gonna take this smegular degular shower curtain and turn it into a luxury bathroom curtain experience. I found this hack on TikTok and it is genius. So as you guys can see, I have my additional shower rod here. This shower rod is super long. It is expandable. So even if you have a larger bathroom than mine, this rod will definitely do the trick. The only thing is that this rod is shitty, okay? Like, this rod does not hold by itself. Along with the rod, I also had to get shower rod holders because this rod was not holding nothing up. So if you get this rod because it's cheap, understand that you need to get it with the holders or else it will just not stay in place. Like, this rod will fall. It will fall. The shower rod holders literally were like gold. They worked so well. So on this shower rod, we're not gonna put shower curtains, but we're gonna put something sheer, like a very sheer curtain. That's because I want my bathroom to have a very spa-like feel. I feel like putting heavy curtains on this rod is just, it's just so heavy and so bulky, you know? Like, if we're gonna throw on additional curtains, make them light, make them airy, like, So as soon as we get our sheer curtains onto our rod, it is now time to hang them up. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my shower rod holder. I'm going to find the perfect position to place it in. I'm going to place it, and then I'm going to put my shower rod right into that holder. Of course, it's not going to stay because it's not going to stay unless we have the other rod holder up. But I like to just put the shower rod into the holder just to make sure that I like the position, you know? So once the position was solidified, I went to the other side. I put the rod holder on the other side, connected the rod to it, and voila. There you have it. I absolutely love the addition of these curtains. It just makes the bathroom look so much more expensive, and it really gives that spa-like feel. Now that we are finished with the outside of the bathtub, we are going to head into the tub, and I'm going to be applying these shower caddies. The shower caddy shelves come with these stickers, and all you do is you just stick them to your shower wall, hang the shelf right onto the hooks that are on the other side, and boom. Just like that, you have 2 shower caddy shelves that you can use to hold all of your bathroom stuff. I will buy these shelves over and over and over again. For real, this is one of the best bathroom finds that I have found on Amazon by far. Next, of course, we have to add our runner. Like, you cannot complete the bathtub without a runner, okay? You need a runner because when you're stepping out of the bathtub, the water that comes off your body and like drips onto the runner. I was indecisive between an orange runner or a black runner, but like I just went with the black one because I feel like the orange one would just be too much. A runner typically is going to be a lot larger than your regular bath mat because it is supposed to occupy the space from the front of your bathtub to the end of your bathtub, okay? So there is a difference between a runner and a bath mat for those who did not know. But yeah, this is the finished look with the runner. It's so cute, and I really believe that the black runner balanced out my shower for sure. I decided to go with these beigeish, goldish, tannish towels, and I think they are such a great color and complement the curtains really well. And I put the towels in this really cool design, and y'all, it was so easy. I just grabbed the scrunchie from the dollar store, put it right in the middle of the towels, scrunched out the bottoms, and then boom, like so cute. It just elevates the bathroom, and it took 2 seconds and only cost a holla. Yo, shout out to Dollar Tree for real, because Dollar Tree really held it down, because you're gonna see, like, as we get into this decor renovation, so many things I used came from the dollar store. Decor on a budget, that is the way to go. You don't always have to spend a buck to get a really, really, really good product that's gonna elevate a space. Especially if these products are for show. Like, it's not like we're using these products. These products are for show. Don't break the bank. Don't break the bank. Okay, she's coming along nice. You know, I had to throw a painting. A painting is what takes your bathroom from a regular bathroom to a bathroom. Like one that you actually want to be in for an extended period of time. So I found these adhesive stick-ons for paintings. I used that to stick onto my wall. And I'm just so happy that I was able to find something to hang my paintings with. Like, literally, that's every person's dream in an apartment. To find something that is safe, that requires no nails, that requires no building, no hammers, no nothing. Because, honey, one thing I'm gonna need at the end of my lease is my deposit back. Like, I'm gonna need my deposit back. So I got this 3-piece toilet seat cover and double mat set from Amazon. It is so cute, except we're only going to be using 2 of the 3 pieces, okay? The mat, I'm actually not going to use. Instead, I replaced it with a black mat to match our runner. I just didn't want too much grief. I also got this plunger set from Amazon, link below, and this small garbage bin from the dollar store. So this is the canister that we're going to be using for our toilet paper, and I think it is super cute. It matches the vibe very nicely. I got this from Amazon. Of course, link is going to be down below. You already know I got you. So one day I just passed Home Goods and I'm like, let me just see what's in there. And y'all, I found the cutest vases. Literally, these vases came in a pack of 3. They are so cute. I paired it with this other black vase that I found at Home Goods and I got it for like $10. Such a steal. I also added in some pampas leaves that I got from Shein. Yes, I got these leaves from Shein. They're not super huge, but they're like a great size for any like small or medium vases that you have. And look, this shelf unit I got a while back and it just happened to fit aesthetically into the bathroom. So that's a win. That's a win. I'm going to try to see if I can find a dupe or something similar on Amazon and link it down below. But as you can see, it is basically a little storage tool for all of my blow dryers, flat irons. Like every girl needs this. Every girl needs this in her bathroom. I don't care. So I'm about to throw some gloves on these bad boys because we are about to get jiggy with it and DIY some things, okay? So I got this tray from the Dollar Tree, and as you can see, there's this big ugly sticker on the back, and we hate stickers around here, okay? So you don't want to leave stickers on decor. That is so corny. So I found this hack off TikTok, which involves a blow dryer. All you do is blow dry the sticker, and then it comes right off. It's literally the best hack for any adhesive that is stuck on any decor that you buy. I got this matte black paint from Michaels, and I'm gonna use this to spray the tray black. I also got this container from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna be painting the lid black because it just looks better to me that way. And I'm gonna be putting bath salts in these. So this is gonna be like my bath salts container. Yeah. Yeah, we fancy with it. Yeah. This other vase I also got from Dollar Tree as well. And we're going to be putting, I believe it's called poupourri. I feel like I'm butchering it. Poupourri. We're going to be putting that in there. And I also got that from Dollar Tree. This is the bath salts that I got and the poupourri that I got. And this is it in the containers. Your local Dollar Tree. Yep. Your local Dollar Tree. So I was being cheap and decided to make my own fake little like diffuser aesthetic-y vase, I guess you could say. Like, I got the sticks from the dollar store and I think it just is so cute. And did you guys notice how it matches the toilet canister? Like, that's a flex, complex, but okay. So we're gonna start out with the right side of my sink. And I am going to start by using this container that I got from Shein. So the thing about it is I don't like the color. It's not the right vibe for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab this Sahara Beige Paint spray that I got from Michaels, and I'm gonna use it to spray all over this container. When I say DIY girls, I really mean DIY girlies. We're the DIY babes on my channel. So I went in with the paint, and as you can see, this color is literally to die for. It is gorgeous. So I'm going to use this for my sink, and right in this container, I'm going to add my toothbrush and toothpaste accessories. And I got this 3-piece, well, it's actually a 4-piece set. I got it from Shein, y'all. In front of the tray, I'm also gonna add one of the 3 vases that I got from Home Goods. And now you can see why I dyed the tray sand, because it really complements the bamboo on the vase very well. I'm also gonna add this pampas leaf that I got from Shein, as well as this tray that I got from Shein. On top of the tray, I'm gonna throw in this Dollar Tree candle that I got, and I love that it says Zen in like this really aesthetic font. I feel like it really goes with the vibe. But as you can see, I tried to light the candle, and this candle is cheap AF. It cannot even light. So we're just gonna keep it unlit. because I don't want any more burn marks on this candle. I got this small vase from Target for $5, and I want to use it as sort of like a fake diffuser holder. I'll show you guys what I mean as we move. Next, I'm adding this soap holder, and this is the 4th piece of the 4-piece toothbrush and toothpaste set that I got from Shein. I spray painted it black because it originally came green, but the green wasn't hitting. I felt like if I added a green soap holder into this tray, it would throw everything off. So I used the matte black paint spray that I got from Michael's to spray paint that bad boy black, and it is totally giving. I also added this soap I got from Dollar Tree, and I will not be using this soap. This soap will not be touching my body. It's just here for decor. It's just here for decor, y'all. The vase was looking a little bit empty, so I decided to give it a couple of friends, and I threw in these diffuser sticks that I got from Dollar Tree just to amp up the look. I also spray painted these diffuser sticks black. And this is the final look of the right side of my sink, and I think it is super classy, super sleek, super fun, and just all around cute. So on the left side of my sink, I'm going to be putting this clear storage unit that I got from Shein. I'm also going to be pairing it with these containers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using these containers for my cotton and for my Q-tips. Look at this cute hack. So what I did was I went on PicMonkey and I designed a label. I went to the library, I printed it out, and I just glued them right onto the containers, and boom, we have cute labels that are so aesthetically pleasing. I also paired it with this candle holder that I got from Shein, and boom, this is the storage unit. So our next vase is not going to store our flowers. We are going to use this for our combs. Yes, I'm using this for all my combs. You guys know I do natural hair, so I have combs galore. So I'm going to put my combs into this, and then I'm going to finish adding my skincare supplies to my storage unit, and voila. Next, we're gonna get into my favorite part, which is storage, because what good is a bathroom if you can't store anything in it, right? So I got this tray from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna be using it to store my combs. I also got these 2 snack containers with lids, and we're gonna use this for my scrunchies as well as my bobby pins. I'm so happy I got these snack containers. They're so small, so tiny, they can fit into any space that you have, and they're a good way to keep your pins together, because I swear my pins grow legs and run away. Like, I swear, it's a game now. It's a game now. How many pins can Grace lose before she does her next hairstyle? There. As you can see, this tray is large enough to hold a lot of my smaller combs. I'm also gonna add any remaining combs to the side of my storage drawer. I also got these storage organizer baskets from Dollar Tree, and they're for like office use, but we're gonna use them for my other set of shelves in my bathroom. I'm gonna use these baskets for all of my clips because I have so many different clips, and these also get lost in like the midst of everything that I have going on in my apartment. And this is how all my clips look together within the organizer baskets, and it just looks so sis. Don't you love an organized drawer? Like, it can't get no better than that. And the last piece for my luxury bathroom is gonna be this toothpaste dispenser. And y'all, the world just keeps coming out with gadgets that make life easier and easier and easier. Wow, a toothpaste dispenser. Oh my God, I have not seen luxury until I seen this. I love this thingamabobber. I love it. It just makes brushing my teeth so much more of an experience, you know? And on top of that, I don't have to worry about toothpaste getting everywhere because it's just confined to this space. And I think this was like $3 from Shein. If there's something that you gotta get, it's one of these. Y'all better come up here and get one of these. And voila, there we have it. Apartment-friendly bathroom renovation. Yes, sir. Make sure you guys drop a comment down below, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. And I will see you guys in the next videos. Mwah. Love you.